All right, in this video, we're here to show you how to replace the wiper seal on one of our 300 series pop-up sprinklers. The way to tell if this is the right wiper seal for your sprinkler is to look at the cap here, and this one will say 300 series. You can see right there it says 300 series. The reason you need to do that is because we have various different series of sprinklers, and they each take a slightly different wiper seal, so they're not compatible across series. To replace this really just takes a few seconds. First thing you're going to do is remove the lid and remove the actual sprinkler from the housing. That might just stay in the ground. And then next thing you need to do is remove the nozzle. Now carefully let up the lid because it's on that tension with the spring. That'll come off, and there's the old wiper seal. Now what this wiper seal has in it is this retaining ring that helps to seat the spring, and that needs to stay. So when you replace with the new wiper seal, you just have to put that retaining ring in there, and then it's just a matter of reassembling everything. So put that back on. We'll put the lid back on, and then the nozzle. And now we just stick this back in the housing, screw that down, and we're all set to go. So if you have any questions on this process, please hit us up in the comments below, and we would be happy to help you.